Siri not working on your iPhone? Here are 16 proven fixes step by step. Let's get started.
Method 1. Check if Siri is enabled. Open the Settings app. Tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then tap Talk and type to Siri. Make sure Listen for Siri is turned on. Also turn on Press Side button for Siri. If they are already on, toggle them off and back on.
Method 2. Retrain Siri voice recognition. In the same Talk and Type to Siri menu, turn Listen for Siri off, then back on. Follow the on-screen setup and say each of the 5 displayed phrases clearly.
Method 3. Check Siri response settings. Go to Apple Intelligence in Siri, then tap Siri Responses. Select Prefer Spoken Responses so Siri always talks back to you.
Method 4. Check your internet connection. Siri needs internet to work. Connect to Wi-Fi or enable cellular data. You can also toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to reset the connection.
Method 5. Disable low power mode. Go to Settings, then Battery. Turn off Low Power Mode. This re-enables Hey Siri voice activation.
Method 6. Temporarily disable your VPN. Go to General, then VPN and Device Management. Disconnect your active VPN. VPNs can block Siri from reaching Apple's servers.
Method 7. Update your iOS software. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates fix known bugs.
Method 8. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This takes about 10 seconds.
Method 9. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, then General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then Reset network settings. You will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords, but this fixes deep connectivity issues.
Now for methods 10 through 16. Method 10. Check Siri language. Go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, then Language. Select the correct language for your region. Method 11. Check screen time restrictions. Go to Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn them off temporarily. Method 12. Check your microphone. Inspect the mic openings at the bottom of your iPhone. Clean gently with a dry cloth. Test with the Voice Memos app. Method 13. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Disconnect AirPods or other audio devices. Method 14. Enable Type to Siri. Go to Accessibility, then Siri. Turn on Type to Siri for a keyboard-based alternative. Method 15. Reset Apple Intelligence. Turn it off in Settings. Restart your iPhone. Then turn it back on. Wait for the full download. Method 16. Check app-specific Siri settings. Go to Apps, select an app, then tap Siri. Enable Learn from this app and Show app in Siri.
Most Siri issues are caused by software glitches after iOS updates, network problems, or misconfigured settings. If none of these fixes work, contact Apple support for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.